One of the biggest struggles that I see in my life, and one of the biggest lies that I bought into that really hurt my growth early on, was this idea of being a solo entrepreneur. You manage everything, you do everything, you execute everything, and at the end of the day, it's your business, it's your brand, and you own a business. Well, the truth of the matter is this: I've never seen a person that has a successful video business that runs it like that. I would challenge you to find a person. You may find people that are doing great things and they're solo and they're, and even from the outside, it might look like, oh man, they're doing it all themselves. I can assure you that there may be one or two of those unicorns out there, but 90%, 99% of successful ones are not doing it alone. And here's the truth. This is a common belief amongst our circle of creative entrepreneurs, but the reality of it is that business in general doesn't work like that. You would be hard pressed to find any kind of solo one-man band type businesses that are doing, amazing numbers. Now, granted, there's certain personal brands, right, that are monetizing their IP or they're monetizing digital products or things like that. That's completely different. Even though they use a camera, they do editing, it seems very similar. The video production business is completely different than influencer marketing or digital marketing or any of that kind of stuff. It's completely different. It does not work the same. If you want to grow a video production business, then you have to learn how to hire, how to fire, how to network, how to collaborate, how to train, how to develop, how to direct and delegate, and all of these things, because that is essential to your growth. You simply just cannot do it all. I don't care how talented you are. If you're trying to do it all, you're going to be stressed, you're going to be overworked, you're going to never have time for things that are important to you. And ultimately, who's trying to live a life like that? That's not the kind of business I want to build. I want to build a business that gives me freedom, that allows me and affords me the opportunity to do projects that I believe in and do work that matters and share my thoughts and opinions and ideas and all of this kind of stuff. So I'll give you a little behind the scenes look. For a long time, I love teaching. I'm a teacher at heart. I love to teach. If you're around me or you're around my crew of guys, I'm always pouring in. I'm always teaching them. I'm always developing them in certain ways because I love it. I enjoy it. But here's the thing, even for myself, because I've been focused on growing the business and a good portion of that was by myself, I never had the time to create content like this. I never had the time to do more projects and create courses and help people out in their own business. This is all stuff that is extremely important to me. But because I was a one-man band for so many years, I actually wasn't able to do that. And you know what? That led to a lot of discomfort. It led to a lot of stress. It led to a lot of internal turmoil where I wasn't doing the things that I wanted to do. And it was all because I bought into that lie of that one-man band type of thing. One of the biggest reasons why I think people, have a hard time with that, I know I did, was because a lot of times the budgets aren't enough to hire people. And so I would say it's better for you to focus on that, use your energy to focus on solving that problem, than try to put all your intention and focus on just doing everything. You're not going to scale, you're not going to grow. It's ultimately going to cap you as a leader. And these are lessons, man, I've learned so much from hiring people and from working and collaborating and directing and delegating. I've learned so much that I think has made me better, it's made me more wise, and ultimately has helped me to grow bigger in my business.